Hi guys, it's your girl Lady Wendy's, and today I'm going to show you how I came across this look. If you like the look, stay tuned and don't go away. Alright guys, don't forget to check out my other tutorials. I'm showing you how, let me read it. Okay, it's the L'Oreal Infallible 24-hour fresh wear. I'm going to be reviewing that, so if you're interested in seeing that video, check it down there. It's going to be in the description box below. Yeah, that's it. That's just about it. I'll be talking about the brush as well. I'll be showing you how the L'Oreal wax on the skin, how good it is. I'll be reviewing about it. It's the full coverage one. Actually, it's called the L'Oreal Infallible 24 Fresh Wear Foundation. So check that out. It's gonna be in the description box below. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching. That's the L'Oreal Infallible 24-hour fresh wear. I'm going to use that to put on my skin. Alright. With the Maybelline, I'm going to set this. Yeah, I'm just setting on top of the foundation because I use foundation to prep the eye. And come across. Guys, I'm using foundation. Well guys, I thought I was recording, yeah, but I'll just tell you what I just did. Okay, that's the pink right there. So I've been going in with that. Alright. Okay, I thought I was recording all this time. But anyway, that's okay. From the NYX Ultimate palette, I'm gonna go in with that dark yellow. Might be orange, a mix of orange and yellow. So it makes it a dark yellow, I suppose. I'm not sure. I'm gonna draw my beautiful people. I'm gonna go in with the same pink that I've used around. I'm gonna try to make that darker, a little bit darker than the rest of the pink. So that's just around the concealer so that it can pop. Yeah, I think you can see. I'm going to use the Moa Makeup Academy palette in Silent Disco and NYX Ultimate palette. I'm going to mix two reds. These are the reds that I'm going to mix right here. So one of them is right there, and the red from the NYX Ultimate is right there. Forgetting that the red looks like pink, but it's okay. If I'd chosen blue, it still looks like green. Black was the only way out, but we're ready here. Using the Revolution, I'm gonna use it to clean up those edges. Alright, I'm going in there. Sorry I did not film some bit, but I just went and made an X over there, and now I'm coming in with that. So I'm just putting that there using the same reds. I made the X using the concealer, so it's easy for me to just go in and just tap there, or just make a straight line by tapping there, right there, in the crease there. Having done this, I can see that the red looks like the pink, so we can't really differentiate the pink on the red because I'm wearing army green trousers today, and I was thinking, yeah, let me just try army green. I don't know if it's gonna look funny in the pink, but so I got another palette. It's a W7 on the rocks, neutral on ice eye color palette. I'll show you the cover, that one. W7. I decided to start with the lighter army green, then if I feel there's need to put this I will, but at the moment, because I'm not sure, I'm gonna try that there and see how it goes, because this is different. Guys, I think it's working. I'm just taking the army green around. At first I was skeptical, but it looks okay because I used the brush that was wet. Emphasizing with the pink again around the grey. Using the W7, I'm gonna put mascara on my lashes so that my false lashes fit in. Alright, I'm gonna put concealer on my cheeks, LA Pro concealer. I'm gonna take it over there. I'm going to try to make a short one. Just dragging that backwards. That's what I need. From that I got some time back. This is the RT brush. Yeah, it's the 301 RT, and I got it from Real Technique. Yeah, so I'm gonna use that to blend. So I'm gonna another one over here, just above the other one, and I believe the remainings of that will go over the forehead. So I know my eyes look like a sweetie. I think I've seen a sweetie with those colors, the green and red ones. Yes, so I'm gonna blend that using this new brush and see how it goes. I'm gonna take it up. Yes, 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 it just does exactly this the place that I want. It's just the size that I want for contour. It's beautiful. Okay, I like. It's just doing the job. I'm only in the edges. I don't have to go here if I don't want to. So it's just the size that I wanted, because most of these brushes slightly bigger. Even they say it's a contour brush, sometimes it's just slightly bigger, but this is just the right size. So now we must be done with that, guys. So now I'm gonna blend the highlight, right? Kind of like in a hurry, but yeah, we'll be done in a minute. This brush, I like the fact that some bits are longer than the other bits because I get to do all those little bits. That's the beautiful thing about the brush. And then blend the contour and the highlight and make them fit. I'm gonna set with the Maybelline Fit Me. Yeah, it's a compact. So I'm using that to set all the areas that I highlighted, alright? Yeah. So I'm going to the edges of the foundation and the contour, and I'm also setting the foundation too. Yeah, this brush, it's making the contour blend in with the foundation. So we're getting rid of the harsh edges. If you can see one there, that's what the powder is doing. So it's seamless, and then go around there. We have foundation around there. I'm gonna go in with that orange in the middle. I usually mix it, but today I'm not gonna mix it, just to see how that goes. And I'm going to put it where the contour is. So I'm setting, I don't want it to move, so it stays in one place. I put too much blush actually, so I'm still going in with a powder brush and I'm just coming that down. So I always just get that powder brush and just settle things when they go way overboard. I'm just taking this over there. I decided to take that farther. I'm gonna put a lipstick from Sleek Makeup. It wasn't the one I was planning to put, but I can't find the one I was supposed to put, so I ended up putting this, but it's kind of similar. Platinized Plum from Sleek Makeup. So I'm gonna wear that. Alright, I just found the lipstick that I wanted, so I decided to go over it. I don't know if that's gonna work, but I feel like I'm overloading. NYX Liquid Suede lipstick, Pure Society, that's the name. I'm going to spray my face with that. It's a dewy finish. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, don't forget to press the notification bell below so you can be notified every time there's another video. Thank you very much. Bye.